a blast path right into ashes. I could have got his ass, someone that's only average for advice. OMG, you listen to that.
Hey Glam Fam, what's up? So we're about to get into this KKW Classic Collection inspired makeup tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's do it.
I just want to show you off. I don't want to do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?
Okay, so the most important step of your makeup is moisturizing. I can't stress this enough. You want to make sure that your base is well taken care of. I feel like if you moisturize perfectly, your makeup's going to sit amazingly. So I'm going to moisturize with the CeraVe Drugstore PM Moisturizer. And I'm going to go in with these Argan Oil drops around where I would have crow's feet so that my concealer will lay beautifully. Then I'm going to go in with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray as a prepping spray and let it dry. Then I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Illuminating Primer. This is going to really make us look like a bronzed goddess. We are going to stipple that in with the Morphe M439 brush. This brush is my holy grail. It's my life. I wouldn't know what to do without it. Then I'm going to do my brows with the e.l.f. Brow Pencil in dark brown. I'm just going to draw them in. I love this brow pencil. This brow pencil gives me life. Then I'm going to go in with the Soft Glam palette and take that shade Cypress Umber with this Milani brow pencil brush. And I'm just going to go over my brows so they stay on all day. That step is optional. Then I'm going to clean up my brows with this concealer, the NYX Dark Circle Corrector. Then I'm going to go in with this Revlon Photo Ready Foundation. Remember, ladies, less is more. I'm only putting it around my cheeks, down my neck, and on my forehead, and I'm not going to put it near my eyes because I don't want layers and layers of makeup under my eyes where you get the most creasing. Then I'm going in with this Coty Airspun, and I'm going to tap it into my face. I'm only using a little bit of powder that was left in the lid. Then I'm going to spray one more time, going with this NYX concealer. I'm making sure I get it on my lids also because I'm going to use it as an eye primer. On my forehead, Cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, you know the dealio. Then I'm going to get some on my chin. Then I'm going to take this It Cosmetics Illuminating Concealer and just add a dot, a little tiny dot, just to make it more light focused. Then I'm going to go in with this Real Techniques Baby Sponge, and I'm going to tap in where I laid the concealer and make sure it's all blended well. There we go. Then I'm going to go take my Morphe M439, my holy grail, like I told you guys, and I'm going to go wherever I had concealer around the lines so that there's no lines. So then I'm just going to take my little sponge from Real Techniques and I'm going to bake with the little tiny bit of powder, concentrating mostly around my eyes, under eyes, and on the sides of my nose. And taking my Morphe G2 and a little bit more Coty Airspun, I'm going to chisel out where I lay, underneath of where I lay my contour. Then I found this eyeshadow palette in TJ Maxx for $10, and it's Too Faced. Do you guys believe that? So as my transition, I'm going into that mauvey brown color and just blending it in with a Morphe M200 blending brush. I always use the same brushes, then blending it out even more with my Real Techniques crease brush. Then I'm going to go in with the Morphe crease brush and go into that brown and just define my crease. You guys can just, it's so easy. This is such an easy eye look. It's not even funny. There we go. I'm going to do it on the other side. Just using that brown from the palette and concentrating on my outer V and my crease. Just giving the crease more definition. Then I'm going in with this beautiful gold color and putting it on my lid with my finger. Whenever I apply shimmers on my lid, I love using my finger. Then I'm going to take a brush and just blend all those colors together, that Morphe crease brush. Then I'm going in with this Pacifica Island Light palette that I got in my Ipsy bag, and I'm going over with that bronzy color right on top of the gold, and it's going to make my lids look wet. And I'm blending it out again with that Morphe brush. Then I'm going in with that deeper brown and going back over where I laid that lighter brown, you know what I'm saying? And just giving it more definition. There we go. Then I'm going in with my favorite brush. You guys already know, the Morphe 836 brush. I am going to go into that dark brown and I'm going to go and really define that crease. There we go. I'm telling you guys, this is a multifunctional brush. You need to get it. Then I'm going on my lower lash line with the same dark brown from that Pacifica palette. And I'm going to do it like that. Then I'm going in with this e.l.f. pot. And it's like a coppery cool tone brown, and I'm going to go under my lower lash line with that. Then I'm going to go into this glitter palette that was so super affordable, and I'm going to go in that copper glitter, go on my lower lash line. I am going to take that copper glitter on my lid too. You already know. That's the definition of bronze look. You feel me? Look at that. It's just beautiful. It looks like a penny sitting on your eyelid. Even better. After I'm done with that, I'm going to dust off my bake from earlier. Then I'm going to go in with this NYX Wonder Stick. It's coming, trust me. There we go. And I'm going to chisel out my cheekbones. I'm going to bring it to my nose, snatch that nose up, baby. And then I'm going to go on my forehead. This is like instant surgery. It's not even funny. Then on my jawline. I think I needed a little more on my cheekbones, so I did add some. Now I'm going in with this Morphe Y6 brush and blending it all out. I love blending out cream contour with this brush. It's amazing. Then I'm going to blend out my nose contour with the Morphe G14 brush. Then I'm going to go in with this Sun-Kissed Bronzing Powder by Rimmel and set my cream contour with that. It's going to make it look extra bronzy. There we go. And then I'm going to go with my Morphe stippling brush and go into that Physicians Formula blush. It smells like you're on a tropical island. I can't even explain it. Then I'm going in with this Avon black eyeliner in my waterline to bring out my eyes. Then I'm going in with this Physicians Formula drugstore mascara. It has like real lashes in it. And then I go on top of that with my Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara because I can't live without that mascara. So, and I bring that to my lower lash line. Then I'm going in with my LA Girl highlighter, and it got busted, but that's not gonna stop me because look at that glow that that highlighter gives. Oh my God, glowing to the bronze gods. I'm going to put that in a C formation on the high points of my cheeks, bring it down my nose, Cupid's bow, a little bit on my forehead, and on my décolleté, and on my shoulders, because we are gonna look bronzy. Then I'm gonna spray my brush and go with this small detail brush with the same highlighter on my brow bone, inner corner, and on my nose. I just wanted to add some more definition to the eye look. There we go. Inner corner, that's my favorite place to highlight. I love highlighting my inner corner. Now I'm going in with this Milani liquid lip. This stuff will not budge, and it's the same color Kim was wearing. Then I'm going to go on top of it with this Hello Kitty gloss by ColourPop, and I feel like that really was like what put the look all together. This is a finished look. I love you guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.